Welcome to Thursday, guys. This is Mr. Morrison. We are here to divide whole numbers by unit fraction. Remember, unit fractions are fractions that have the 1 in the numerator. So they're just basic numerators of 1. So with this one, you're going to see a bunch of different models. They're going to have different names, but they're only there to show you how you could solve it. So I don't want you to stress about the names. It's mostly the math that you need to focus on, okay? But sometimes, like if we were at school, I'd be like, hey, let's draw this out. But right now, I am not stressing about these models. And again, we'll get through this. But just focus on the numbers with me, okay? So we got this turtle. We got these 3 boxes with this turtle. I don't know why, but we have 3 boxes. It says 3 is divided by 1/3. So what that's saying is I got these 3 boxes right here, right? So we got these 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take those 3 boxes. I'm going to cut them up into thirds. How many pieces do I have now? That's what this is asking. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all it's asking. You're like, Mr. Morrison, the answer is 9. Watch this. The answer was 9. And you're like, but can you just show me with numbers? My mama said she don't want me to draw pictures. And I'm like, okay, I understand. Drawing pictures, it's stressful. And again, if we were at school, I'd be like, come on, we need to draw these. Let's practice. And that's okay. And again, that's fine. But I'm going to teach you something cool. We're from Kentucky, or we're in Kentucky. Some of us aren't from Kentucky. I'm from California. I don't know where you all from. But Kentucky has changed me. But there's a restaurant called Kentucky Fried Chicken. And guess what? Kentucky Fried Chicken is not going to help you solve these problems. If you can't spell KFC, then you might be a little bit better off. So here we go. So we're going to talk about KCF. And you're like, you spelled KFC wrong. And I'm like, I know. It looks like I spelled KFC wrong, but we're not talking about chicken. We're talking about keep, change, flip. Okay? Keep, change, flip. So we're going to write this again. So we're going to put the 3. And that one, let's see. Oh, Mr. Morrison made his 3 look like an E. So we got 3 divided by 1/3. So we have 3 wholes, and we're going to break it up into thirds, okay? But this is how easy this is. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Sounds like KFC, but it's not. It's deliciously amazing. So we got 3. We're going to change that to a multiplication, and then we're going to flip this. And what I mean by flip this, it becomes 3 over 1. You probably learned that in 4th grade, that 3 over 1 is just 3. So what is 3 times 3? 9. Absolutely correct. It is 9, and that is why it's 9. So you can either draw the pictures or you can do keep, change, flip. And again, do not have your mom say you're spelling KFC wrong. Again, this is keep, change, flip. Say it with me. Keep, change, flip it. Keep, change, flip. Woohoo! Keep, change, flip. All right, here we go. You're like, this is too easy, Mr. Morrison. It can't be this easy. Oh, it's this easy. So let's do it again. So you're like, Miss Morrison, let's do it again. Okay. I feel you. So we got 6 divided by 1/4. And again, it is super crucial. The most important thing you're going to learn is not KFC and KCF. It is which one comes first. Are you dividing 1/4 into 6 pieces or 6 more pieces? Or are you taking 6 and seeing how many fourths go into it? And again, that is going to be what we're going to focus on this week and next week. So if you're not understanding, ask. Be like, Miss Mo, Miss Dyer, can you explain that again to me? Mr. Morrison, why do you keep looking at me that way? That is fine, because that's what that's why we're here. We're here to help, okay? So what is 6 divided by 1/4? So 6 divided by 1/4, how many fourths are in 6? That's all it's asking. But let's go KCF. So we got KCF. Boop. Looks like KFC, but spelled wrong. And again, it's okay if you spell it wrong, because that's how you actually spell keep, change, flip. So we got 6. We're going to change that to multiplication, and we're going to flip 4 over 1. It's just going to be 4. So 6 times 4 is what? 24. You're like, Miss Morrison, that's too easy. And I'm like, I know, guys, we can do this. So again, 24, what's the answer? C. Okay, good job. And that's the right answer. So again, good job. So again, strip diagram, same thing. We can draw the strips just like this. Boop, boop. And then it's asking you if I split them up into fifths. How many pieces do I have now? Well, we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where's the 10 at? I don't see 10 on there. Do you guys see 10? Do you guys see 10 as an answer? I don't know. Do you see it? Let's do keep, change, flip. Just to check. Maybe I did something wrong. So we got 2 divided by 1/5. And you're like, okay, Miss Morrison, keep, change, flip. And I'm like, okay, keep, change, flip. Are you ready? So we're going to keep it. We're going to change it. And we're going to flip 1/5 into 5. Because 5 over 1 is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. You're like, Miss Morrison, we got 10 two different ways. And there is 10 on the board. I know. I was just tricking you. The correct answer is D. Good job. You're like, you're probably screaming at the screen, Mr. Morrison, you are wrong. There's a D. And I'm like, there is. It's letter D, 10. So again, keep, change, flip. And again, the thing we're going to focus on today and tomorrow and next week is which one comes first. Are you separating 2 wholes in to see how many fifths you have? Or are you separating 1/5 into 2 more pieces? Because if you're dividing by 2, we're going to talk about it tomorrow. I don't want to stress you out. But again, today, keep, change, flip. Starting with the whole number, and you're going to flip the unit fraction, and then usually that's going to make it another whole number because you're seeing how many of the fractions are in the whole. Okay? Again, I know you can do it. You can check with Ms. Dyer, Ms. Mo, or myself, or Ms. Stoll, or anybody. We're here to help. All right? Hope to hear from you soon. Good luck, guys.